Guys, welcome to Series Creator Planet. So today we are playing Fix It Up. Okay, so our goal today in this video is to fix up this old BNVK3 and make it brand new. So let's get started. Let's take this car out. I have played this game before, but now I wanna show you the experience. So let's start the game. I started the car. Let's go. So our first stop will be the pit stop. Like, you see these things? Yeah, we're going there. We go to this so we can get the paint afterwards also. So where are we going? Okay, let's move. And we're at the roundabout. I just crashed. Yep, so there is the pit stop. Oh, that's a nice drift. Okay, I guess this pit stop is full. I guess we'll go to the other one. I'll see you when I reach there. So guys, we made to the second pit stop, and yeah, this is how to play this game actually. Like, many people don't know how to play this game at the start, so I'm just gonna show explanation, like a detailed explanation. So after you reach here, you just gotta remove this hood, take out your wrench and get busy taking out all the engine parts like I did. Okay, so everything fell in the corner. Let me just bring them here. Yeah, okay, so now that is done. Now these engine parts, you just gotta keep them on this. Yeah, just keep them on that, and it will show their wear. Okay, and then if you just click that, they will start fixing those engine parts. So you can keep the other engine in this side and let the engine, do its thing. While that is doing that, there's one more part that I have sometimes missed taking out. Like, yep, it's in here. You take out the battery. After that, there's one more part. Yeah, that thing. You take those both out. Okay, they're also pretty useful. And keep the battery in here so that it charges up. Okay, like over there, you just keep it. Oh my gosh. You keep it there, and then you just click on charge, and that battery will get to charging. On the other case, then you just need to wait for some time until those parts get fixed up. Like, yeah, they're getting fixed up right now. So I'll be back when they're done fixing. So guys, after you finish, making these two parts fixed, and the battery is done, then you'll fix this part also in the same machine. After that is done, put this in the washer and wash it. Like, you just need to keep it here and then just turn this on until wash. And after you're done with that, that's all your parts done. Then you just need to go to your car and click F to install the parts. Okay, hold on. I'll just go to my car and install these parts. First, for the engine, you should install this part. After that, you need to install this, and then install this and install that. And the battery, I'll install that. Hold on. Okay, so these are spark plugs. Like, honestly, these spark plugs, they don't need to do anything. Like, they make, if you buy a new spark plug from the shop, it'll make your car's performance better. So I'm just gonna keep this in my car for now. After that is done, close the hood, and that's the first part completed. Next, so that means that the first part of fixing our car is completed, and as you can see, the condition has increased to 75%. Let's start our car and go to the next stop. So next, we have to go and buy that new spark plugs, which I'm gonna go and do right now. Where is the shop? Oh, it's there. Okay, so let's take. Oh my gosh. Let's say you should not do two things at once. Okay, so let's first go to the shop and get this piece done. I should have hit the brakes. There, as you can see, that's the shop. It's right next to a garage actually, but yeah, it's over. The shop will be alright away. As you can see, many people are going here to get their parts. So then what you need to do is go ahead and take out your wrench and look for your spark plugs. This is not actually needed if you can remember your spark plugs. which I did already. But if you cannot remember it, you can do this and find a spark plug. So take everything out and fix it back inside. But I do remember my spark plugs, and they are these things right here. Yeah. So just click on it, and I'll click confirm, and boom, it will be over here. So you just need to hold it and R to store it. Come out to your car, and then take your spark plugs out. And these are my spark plugs. If you can want to see, I'll just show it to you. They'll show that the name of your spark plugs right over here, so you can store it. Now after that, you can take it out and keep it in your car. I have to first take out the old spark plugs. That's why I told you to just take out your whole things and get your spark plug out. After that's done, just fix everything back inside like I'm doing right now, and you better do it fast because it'll delay the parts if you're too late. So yeah, I'm just gonna place these parts pretty quick. This is an old spark plug, just throw it aside. If you want, you can store it, but I don't recommend storing it. Yeah, so I just placed all the parts, and finally I can place the new spark plugs inside, and boom, the engine's completed. That's the first part of the whole car done. The engines is totally completed. And wait, let me just get on the driver's seat. As you can see, it increased to 83%. That's a significant amount. Holy, 8% increase. That's pretty good. Okay, the next step is let's go get some new wheels. So the wheel shop is gonna be right there. It's behind us. Okay. Or just go with the paint first. Let's complete that. The paint shop is gonna be right here. Okay. And I'm in the wrong way again. Okay, so let's just go to the paint shop pretty quick. What? Damn, that was a good drift, but I messed it up. So this is the paint shop. All you have to do is go inside, go to one paint booth, go ahead and click on open up menu, and then you should be good. So you can choose a color, like any color you want, and you can see the preview on this thing right here. And then after you're done with the preview, you can just place it in the car. So for our BMW, I guess we'll take blue because I checked ChatGPT and mostly all the BMWs are like, in this case, the first ever color was blue. So I guess I'll go with, yeah, this blue looks good. Yeah. Boom. So I'll take this blue. Should I make it a little lighter? Yeah, that's good. And then you just click on paint. Boom. And your car will be painted. This looks pretty good, not gonna lie. And then you can just hop onto your driver's seat, click on start, and boom, you're good to go. That's another part completed. Let's go. The next thing what you need to do is go to the tire shop, the pit wheels, which is on the opposite side. So I'll be back when I get there. Guys, I'm in the pit wheels, and this thing is little bit, you have to listen to this. So first park your car in here, and then that's it. Just click on the top button and your car should be lifted up. If you click it 2 times, it will lift up even more. Like now I clicked it 2 times. And then all you gotta do is take out your screw and just take out one wheel. Yeah, that's all I need. Just one wheel. Take it and store that part. So this will tell you all the details, like on what you need to buy a rim or a car part. So then you go to the shop and you choose a rim, like any rim out of these. Let me just go ahead and choose a rim. I'll just go ahead and choose a classical rim. Why not? I'll just be back when I got a good rim. So I thought to just maybe take this tire. It looks pretty okay, I guess. So I'm going with this one. So then what you need to do is to enter your diameter and width. So go to inventory, and so this is why I told you to show your tire. Like it'll show you the diameter and width of a tire. So for the first one is going to be your diameter. Diameter is this thing. So mine is 16. So let me just go ahead and write 16, and the width is going to be 260. Okay, so just write down your width. So mine is 260. So this is the thing, 260 and 16. After you're done with that, just close your inventory so as you can recheck. And after that, click on buy 4. So you're going to buy 4 tires, and then just quickly run over here and store all of these 4 tires. After you're done storing all 4 tires, it will show it up in your inventory. As you can see, it shows the same details except the rims, like it's because it's a different type of rim. And the next thing you need to do is to just check the middle thing. It shows 35. That means that's your tire size. So this car's tire size is 35. So just click on the wheel. It shows you on tire size 35. And then just write the same details down, your diameter and your width. And after you're done with that, just click on into 4 and you get 4 wheels. Then store every single one of them up again. And then go all the way back here to this machine. So this machine will combine your wheel and your rim. So what you do is one by one take out one rim and one tire, like that. Keep it in this machine. Hold on, let me just that. Boom, and that, and then click on the top button. It will turn it to a wheel, and then you can store that. Do it 4 times until you get all the wheels done. Hold on, let me just quickly do this. Keep it on there and keep there. Just keep it on top. Click the top button and you're good to go. And store it after you're done. I done 2 wheels. Let's do the other 2. After doing all 4 wheels, all you do is just remove your old wheels and keep your new wheels. And this should be the final thing I need to do to make this car brand new. And that's the final wheel. So after you store all the 4 wheels, go back to your car, take down all of these 4 wheels, those old trash wheels, and keep your new ones which you bought. I'm just taking out 2 at a time because they'll delete if I don't do it fast enough. I'll place this down right here. It looks pretty sick, honestly. Go to my inventory, take the other one out. Where is it? Yeah, there it is. Just place it right there. And the final wheel, it should be in my inventory. Boom. If I just place the final wheel, this should be completed. Let's go. Okay, next, click on the button. Bring your car back down to the ground. I'm just clicking as fast as I can. Now the car's done. Let's just hop in and let's just start a new car. Let's start the engine. As you can see, the condition is the same because honestly, the tire doesn't change the condition, but it changes the looks of your car, which will also like help you later on. Oh, okay, so this is like a glitch. Honestly, hold on. These tires are like staying next to my car. Let me just go ahead and remove these out of the way. I'm just gonna store them because there's nothing I can do. I'll store them and I'll throw them over here. Take out this thing too. Boom. Just throw that over there. And now I can move my car. I'm pretty sure. Boom. And that's everything completed. Though you completed fixing your car, and now there's a choice. Like you can keep this car, and with your remaining money, you can buy another car and fix that car, or you can go ahead and sell this car, which I'm going to do right now. So you have to go all the way to where you started this. So yeah, this is your garage where you start the game out, and you should go to this guy, the sell cars. It's right next to the garage, beside this guy. So all you have to do, oh my gosh, I just went too far. Just need to go here, go to this guy, and I'm just gonna say sell my car, BMW K3 for $21,000. I'm going to sell this car. 3, 2, 1, and that's gone. So he took my car and he gave me money. He's like, I have 70,000 now, let's go. So that's the tutorial guide of how to fix up your car and get money in this game. It's honestly pretty easy. After that, you can just wait for like a good car to spawn and then just get it, fix that up and sell it, and you'll get even more money. As you can see, BMW K3 it spawns like a 10% chance. It's pretty easy to make it spawn, but I just thought to make this car with something easy. Alright, See you in the next one. If you want a part 2 on this game, type part 2 down in the comments, and if you had made it until this end of this video, type fix it up. See you in the next one. Bye.